Hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and sound. And today's webinar, as you guys already know, how to streamline your sales process with Zoho CRM. So as we already know, I mean CRM and because of the current scenario is actually very relevant to have a CRM software. Maintaining an everlasting relationship with the customers has become important now more than ever because of the whole pandemic situation going on, and we are not able to physically service our customers. And we already know that customers are the backbone of any kind of business. So to keep them satisfied is should be a priority for every business all around the world. So that is why this webinar is scheduled for you guys. Today we are going to be discussing what are sales stages, how to assign leads and edit pipelines, how to create and use automated tasks, how to automate email campaigns, and a live demo of Zoho CRM. So before starting the video, I'll take just 2 minutes to talk about what Tech Jockey is and why we are, conducting this webinar on our platform. So Tech Jockey is an e-commerce platform that helps startups and SMBs drive their businesses. We provide a lot of software solutions, end-to-end IT solutions to resolve every kind of challenge that any business could ever face. We cater to the dynamic automation needs of the industry. We have over 1.7 lakh of monthly website visitors. We have over 13,000 product offerings, and we serve over 5,000 plus customers. So we cater to a variety of industries. For example, IT, education, finance, healthcare. We cater to different software categories like accounting, HRMS, cybersecurity, data backup, hospital management, marketing, customer service, and whatnot. You name it, and we have it. We help you choose, compare, select the right software for your business, and you can even avail free demo of the software that you like. So we have over 8,000 OEMs onboarded with us, and we have one of them here with us conducting this webinar and helping you out with everything you need to know about CRM, specifically about Zoho CRM. So we have Devansh Maheshwari, who's a software consultant.
Thank you so much, Ria, for your introduction. So, good morning, everyone. Today's topic for the webinar is how to streamline your sales process with Zoho CRM. So, today's agenda, what are sales stages, how to assign leads automatically to different users, how to edit deal pipelines, how to create and use automated tasks, how to automate email campaigns, and how to set goals. So, basically, who are we? So Target Integration was established in 2008 with a mission every business should be able to leverage the full power of their business insights. We have our offices in Ireland, United Kingdom, India, and we have one development center at Greece. So basically, Target Integration is providing a perfect mix of quality and value. What do we do? We basically are into CRM, ERP, and cloud-based products. For example, customer management systems, sales management, customer care, ticketing softwares, business process automation, e-commerce consultations, point of sale system, custom software development, cloud infrastructure, cloud SaaS, web app, and mobile apps. So basically our partners, Zoho, Odoo ERP, Zendesk, Salesforce, SAP Partner Open Ecosystem, and Microsoft Dynamics 365. So basically this is our success stories and our satisfied clients: Dalmia Cements, Rail, Seco, Strata Tiles, etc. So our first topic is what are sales stages. So basically we understand every business is unique and involves unique sales process. So for that we have a stage probability mapping window. And basically this is the default stage, and the stage are already listed in their respective probability, forecast type and category. You can simply add, modify according to your business process and specify the probability accordingly. So basically these are the steps for stage probability mapping. You can go to setup, then you can go to customization, modules and fields, then you can choose layout and click on settings, and then click on stage probability mapping. So our next top agenda is how to assign leads automatically to different users. So we can obviously assign lead automatically to our CRM users because of lead assignment rules, which will help you in automate the process of assigning leads to all CRM users. You can also set up lead assignment rules based on your organization with a wide lead distribution process. So this is the step how you can set up lead assignment rules. Click setup, automation, assignment rules. In the assignment rule page, select a module. For example, if you want to set a lead assignment rule in lead module, contact module, or in deal lead module. So basically you can select a particular module and choose from the drop down list and create a rule. In the new rule page, enter the rule name, click save, and in the real assignment rule page, click create rule entry. And in the rule entry page, you can follow these steps: criteria, enter the criteria of the rule entry, record owner, choose from one of the options to assign an owner to the record. Then we have how to edit pipelines. So all successful sales team have one thing in common, that is obviously is a deal pipeline. And organized sales pipeline, you can track your sales pipeline from identifying a hot prospect to winning the deal. You can spot the people uh, most likely to buy and spend more time communicating with them. Divide your sales cycle into stages and prioritize the prospects that matter at every step. With Zoho CRM end-to-end pipeline management features, you will have complete control over your sales pipeline and start closing more deals in less time. Then we have how to create and use automated tasks. So to create automated tasks, we have workflow rules in Zoho CRM, which are the set of actions. For example, you can you can trigger email notification tasks and field updates that are executed when certain specified conditions are met. So these rules automate the process of sending email notification, assigning tasks when a rule is triggered. For example, uh, if you have to pass some lead to your salesperson, you can simply create an automated task. For example, after 3 days you want to assign that lead to a particular salesperson, you can create an automated task, and by creating automated task, that sales guy will be receiving the email notification for the particular lead. So a workflow rule consists of the following elements: basic details, rule trigger, workflow conditions, and actions. Then we have how to automate email campaigns. As part of the marketing automation, Zoho CRM provides campaign management and email marketing. With Zoho CRM campaign management features, you can effectively plan marketing expenditures and improve the quality of lead generation process. Email marketing can act as a vital cog in your marketing automation wheels. This allows you to send timely messages across various touch points and influence customer interactions. And its versatility means you can lead your audience wherever you want. So for example, if any business launch its new product, you can run an email campaign to your customer database where you will create an awareness that this company has launched this particular product for sales process. Then we have how to set goals. Set targets for your company, specific users to drive more results. Keep your finger on the pulse of your company sales performance by setting company-wide sales targets. The targets you set can be based on various criteria of your choice. So you can set targets you want to achieve your KPIs and visualize how far you are come and achieving your company's objective. So from here, I will show you the demo. So basically this is a CRM. This is the dashboard of CRM. So I'll cover our first topic, what are sales stages. So I will create a lead, company name, test12, last name, BCD, first name. So basically you can see the red mark over here, company, and in the last name. This is the mandatory fields which are compulsory and need to be filled by your salesperson. So we'll click on save. Then we'll go to convert. You can create a new deal from this account. So if you'll create a new deal, you can see over here, create a new account test1 to create a new contact ABCD1 ABCD. Basically if you'll create a new deal, your account will automatically made in Zoho CRM, and Zoho CRM will create automatic contact for this particular person. So amount is 1000. You can choose closing date according to your preference. For example, I have choose 18th July. You can set stage, which I was talking about, what are deal stages. So basically if you have sent the sample to your particular customer, you can select stage as sample sent. And if you have quoted the amount for the product, then you can choose a proposal and your price quote. So we'll convert. So basically we have converted that lead into a deal. So now we'll go to a deal module. You can see over here deal name is test12. We'll click over here. So you can see the deal stage here. You can edit here and set according to your preference. If you have won the deal, you can simply click close one, and closing date, stage close one. You can set particular date and stage, and you can save it. So this is all about deal stage. Now we'll come to how to assign leads automatically to different users. We'll go to settings. We'll go to assignment rules. You can set up new assignment rule. You can choose the module, lead contact deal. We'll choose lead module, rule name, CD1. You can set a description, 1, 2. So basically you can create a rule entry over here, apply this rule to all records, assign record to users. You can select the user, demo. Then we can save it as a rule entry. We have already saved that entry here. So this is all about lead assignment rule. Then we'll go to how to edit deal pipelines. We'll go to setup. We'll go to pipelines. So here are basically 3 pipelines. You can choose any of the pipelines, and you can select stages according to your preference. If we'll select stages, create a new stage. You can choose your stage over here, and according to your preference you can make new stage here also. For example, we'll select a new stage, test one. You can select forecast type, open. You can select the category. So new pipeline, and in this pipeline we have added a new stage over here, which is test one. Now we'll come to how to create and use automated task. So we'll simply go to setups, then we'll go to actions. Then we can click on task. You can create a task module. Again, you can choose the module for whichever the task you want to make. So we'll go to leads, subject. You can give, if you want to send email notification, you can select email. You can select the trigger date plus, you can, for example, 3 days. Status, you can select the status, deferred, in progress, completed, waiting for input. So we can choose in process. You can set the priority, high, low, lowest, normal. We'll choose normal. Assign to demo. You can assign it to your user. You can notify the assignee and we can save. So we have successfully triggered a automated task to our salesperson, which will be triggered after 3 days. So we'll jump to how to automate email campaigns. So basically, we have to integrate Zoho campaigns with our CRM so that we can run email campaign to our database. So we need some integrations in that. So I'll jump to how to set goals. So we'll click on three dots. We'll go to forecast, get started. You can set goals territory wise. You can select a period, monthly, quarterly. We'll select monthly goals. Fiscal year begins to April. You can choose start month or end month. You can select field, amount or expected revenue. We'll click save, confirm and continue. So you can choose the target, for example, 10,000. Territory target, you can choose again 10,000. Manager target is, for example, 40,000, and save. So this is all about uh, sales forecast and how to set goals. So we have a question and answers. So please, you can ask me any questions if you want.
Guys, you can either put your questions in the chat or unmute yourself to ask any questions you want to ask him.
Hi, this is Manish here. Am I audible?
Yes, Manish, you are audible.
Yeah, we have lots of calls which comes in on a daily basis. We receive around 100 calls a day from customers, wherein customers want to buy mobile phones of various brands. So we have
Okay.
calls for from customer. Say a customer says that I want to buy a Apple iPhone. The other says I want to buy a Vivo phone. The third says I want to buy a Samsung phone. And we are using Exotel, which is again compatible with Zoho as far as I know.
Yeah.
So I wanted to integrate Zoho with Exotel. That was one. And second is how can you create a lead pipeline so that I have different sales executives selling this different brands. So every brand has a respective sales executive. So my
Okay.
telecaller receives the call, and how can she assign that particular lead to a sales executive? Can you please show a demonstration in relevance to that?
Uh, Thank you, Manish, for your question. But in this case, we need to add a different pipeline. So we can add only four pipelines in CRM, and according to your query, we have to set some workflow rules over here. So definitely we can do that, but this is something a technical part. So you can drop your question over here. We can provide you the solution over your mail.
Uh, Fine, thank you.
So Devansh, we have a question here on the
Uh,
chat.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anand Gupta. Your question is, if we attached any reference document in a lead module and when we convert the lead into a contact module, the document which we have attached will also be converted in contact module or not? Yes, we can. The particular attachment which we have attached to our lead module, we can convert that lead, if we convert that lead into a contact module, then obviously that attachment will also be converted. Let me show you. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, Devansh.
So we have a lead here. We can go to attachments. We can attach, clicking so we have attached that uh, attachment. So if we'll convert, we'll choose the contact name, and over here you can choose the attachment is converted in contacts. So I think I am clear.
Devansh, we have, yeah,
Yeah, we
we
have
have,
another. Manish, please share the process for managing incoming telephonic lead transfers, which we have received a day on basis. Yeah, definitely, Manish. I'll just note down your email ID and I will revert you accordingly. So we have another question from Shreyansh Gupta. Does lead assignment rule restrict lead duplication? Thank you, Shreyansh, for your question. Yes, lead assignment rule can restrict the lead duplication. For example, if lead is coming from India Mart, uh, we have already set up a particular salesperson and set up a particular workflow rule that if any lead will come from India Mart, then that lead will go to ABC person, and if that lead comes again from that social media platform, then CRM will restrict the that lead, and it will not make any lead uh, particularly. And we have another question from Coach Gupta. How can we see stage history in deal module? Okay, yes, we can see stage history in the deal module. Let me show you. We'll go to deals. We choose deal name. So this is the stage history. Closed one. Firstly, if you remember, I have selected a stage as proposal and price quote. Amount is 1000, probability is 75%, and the date close. We have also choose the closing date and modified. You can see the modified time over here. So after proposal, I have converted it proposal or price quote to closed one, and you can see the date and you can see the time over here. So basically you can see and analyze all the stage history here. I guess I'm clear with your question.
great, Devansh. Do we have any other questions?
Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Devansh. It was a very helpful session for all of us present.
uh, Thank you, everyone. I hope my webinar was satisfactory and informative to you, and you can drop questions over here and you can send your email ID over here so that we can revert you accordingly.
Yes, of course.
Yes,
Do share
you
your,
can
yeah. So, is my screen visible?
yes, Ria.
Yeah. So, guys, if you have any other questions, you can email us or call us. We'll be happy to help you guys. If you have any other questions, we will surely can, conduct another webinar where we can, solve any other problem that you guys have. So, thank you so much for attending this webinar. Thank you, Devansh, for being here. It was a pleasure doing webinar with
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
guys.
much,
Take
Ria.
care. Take
Uh,
care.
yeah, Manish Agarwal has sent it his phone number over here. So yeah, we
Great.
can call him.
Great.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.